Okay, so I got a minute to piss a bunch of you people off. People that shouldn't be on this page anyways, one's gonna get mad. I'm sitting in a Walmart parking lot in Frankfort, Kentucky. Fixing over to Carlos Cooks and look at this 34 coupe that I want. So everybody, when I made the comments about getting back to work and all that and how we gonna fix this, and some of the dematards came on there, idiots, saying, what do you mean it's fixed? Because, of course, our government put $6 trillion in the economy, so there's plenty of money right now, backed by nothing, but there's plenty of money, and nobody's getting off their lazy dead asses and going back to work. Guy told me a long time ago, if you want to watch the trends and be a little bit ahead of the curve, and this is no bullshit, he said, watch Walmart. Because Walmart is one of the biggest, richest, there's no telling how much money they have, but they are the biggest entity probably in the world, to be perfectly honest. Even though rarely do I ever go in one. Go to Sam's, but rarely do I go in Walmart. But I just went into this Walmart because with my diet, can't stop and eat fast food or any of that, so I had to stop and get me this. Stuff like that. And I'm looking in there and I'm trying to find, they just redone this Walmart, and there's 4 checkout stands. Maybe 6, but I'm pretty sure it was 4. Right in the middle. And then all these brand new self-checkouts on both sides. But you guys have seen me do a video once before. If I'm coming in there and I'm picking my groceries and all that, I want somebody else to scan it. I don't want to have to scan it and something go wrong. And I mean, hell, we've all had it happen to us with cashiers. And I've tried that self-checkout and screwed it up and got pissed off. And so I saved myself the aggravation. I'm just not going to do it. I don't want to do it. So I figured that I factor that into that's factored into the price of my groceries I'm buying. I don't ever try to negotiate the price of my groceries, so I want somebody else to scan it, bag it, and then I'll carry it out to the truck. But they got all these self-checkouts. Probably, there was at least 20 in each deal, so that's 40 of them. And I rolled through there thinking, oh, here we go. I'm going to catch some static. Oh, no. There's one girl in there. She jumps up. She comes over, and I said, where's the checkout? And she goes, oh, I can take care of you right over here. She rolls it up into one of the self-scans. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. Bags it, puts it in my bag, tells me what it is, and her credit card, pay for it. I'm walking out. Just as fast, if not faster, than it would have been. Actually, it was probably faster because I had to wait on nobody. Because with that many registers, think about 40 registers running at one time, but everybody was just doing their thing. And if it looked like somebody was struggling, she's on point. One person running 40 registers. Keep sitting on your asses and see what fucking happens. Because if you think Walmart, they're a trendsetter. Now, what if everybody else starts doing that? When you guys make your comments, your bullshit comments, McDonald's paid $15 an hour. Well, yeah, McDonald's does pay $15 an hour. You'll work 22 hours a week or something where they don't have to pay any benefits or any of that, which, hey, that's fine, guys. But I'm telling you, this right here is what's fixing to come. Because if you think about every retail center, if they could have one person check it out and all these self-stations, yeah, you might get mad at first and buck it, but they got somebody to do it. So if you don't want to do it, they're going to take care of it. We're fucking up. Or a lot of you are fucking up. You think everything's fixed. You think everything's good. And nothing's good. I actually watched this person that was elected president. I always thought the stumbling, bubbling Bush was pretty bad. But anybody that thinks that he don't have dementia, come on. Really? I should have recorded it, but I can't remember what I was watching. But when he went to say one thing, he said something about race, and then they got the camera off of him real quick. But anyway, long story short, I watched what he had to say, and he's clueless. He is absolutely clueless. You can tell everything because when he's reading off the teleprompter, his brow's kind of crinkling up for a minute, and then he's just got a blank look on his face. So I decided the other day, because somebody made the comment, oh, you're nice to this, you're nice to that, because you don't want to lose followers. Anybody thinks that I don't want to lose a fucking follower, I don't want to lose a fan. But for a follower, somebody just comes on here to bitch and all that, kick fucking rocks like I care. My true fans are going to stay. My true fans believe what I do. That's what people don't understand. Look at the comments, how many positive comments versus negative comments. So you guys that make the negative comments, you're not like us. You're not like me. You're not like my fans. You're the ones that are sitting on your fucking ass at home not doing anything and sucking up that government money thinking it's going to last. Well, guys, I just seen what's fixing to happen. Mark my words. Write it fucking down on this date. Reaper said, James Go, but sometimes I get caught on that Reaper deal. I said, Walmart's already figured it out. They just eliminated 40 jobs. Well, they eliminated 39. And nobody's bucking it. Everybody's walking around with their little self-checkout. Because, once again, conditioning, they put these in a long time ago, seeing how they would work. Then COVID hit. COVID hit, guess what? People didn't want to come to work because they're getting stimulus money. They're getting more money than they did. So what does Walmart do? They stepped up the program. May have been 6. I'm pretty sure it was 4 registers. They were chained off, and you had 20 over here and 20 over here, and they were getting it. People were bringing their groceries in, full buckets, just slapping them out. And if you so much as stumbled and acted like you didn't want to do it, like I did, man, she was on the spot. Right here. Let me take care of that for you. Yes, sir. You don't. I said, I don't want to check myself out. She goes, oh, don't worry, I got you. Boom, boom, boom. So, stay at home a little longer. There's going to be a machine that's going to take over your job. And machines are way cheaper than you people that think you're worth $30, $40 an hour when you won't even get off your dead ass and go to work.